Nokia 6650 disassembly. You need the following tools: metal tweezers, a slot driver, Torx 6 driver for opening screws, torque driver for tightening screws, and the SRT6 opening tool. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Protect the window with the foil. Turn the unit around and remove the battery cover. Open the camera jacket, place SRT6 in the middle of the Nokia logo, and turn it. To remove the camera jacket, place SRT6 in the middle and push it with your thumbs. When unscrewing the 4 screws, you have to break the warranty seal in the type label. Remove the A cover by pulling up the right side first. The keypad is now also loose. Protect the inner side of the window. And the sensitive display also. Carefully open the display connector with SRT6. Unlock the right 2 clips of the display frame. Now the display can be taken away. Press the edge of the earpiece firmly to get it from the plastic frame. Remove these 2 screws from the radio module. The B cover holds the engine shield with 2 snaps, which have to be unlocked. Now the engine can be taken away. The UI module sticks by the board-to-board connector to the shield. Do not bend the UI module. Use SRT6 for unlocking as shown here. These are the underneath board-to-board connectors. Remove the light guide. Place the tweezers under DC connector and between the spring contacts, and then pull it up. Removing the microphone is much easier. Use the tweezers as a lever when removing the vibromotor. The camera module is loose inside the camera holder. Removing the hands-free speaker is a bit tricky. Place the tweezers under the metal basket of the speaker and hold 1 finger to the opposite to create the right lever force. Take away the infrared window. The power key, and the side key. With the slot driver, create a lever between camera holder and antenna to unlock GSM antenna from B cover. After applying tension to wideband CDMA antenna, you can unlock the snap, then pull out the antenna. The camera holder is stuck to the B cover with double-sided adhesive tape. You'll need some extra force to loosen it. Now the disassembly procedure is finished.